Hey everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make a critically underrated YouTube channel. This is something that I have a great deal of experience with. You see, I've been running a wildly unsuccessful YouTube channel for years now, and if you ask me, it should have a massive amount of followers and bring me in millions of dollars every year. No, I'm not talking about Worm Tutorial. If anything, that YouTube channel has far too many followers. My real passion, at least within the realm of YouTube and YouTubing, is shaving videos. I shave myself at least once a day and often much more frequently. I film these shaves and I post them to YouTube with the volume cranked way up. I just love the sound of the blade scraping across my skin. That scratchy, uncomfortable sound. You know what I mean? I love it. I can't get enough. So I've been filming myself shave all parts of my body daily for almost 6 years now. I haven't missed a single day. It hasn't been easy. There have been plenty of times when I wanted to skip a shave or two. There was the time I had food poisoning and spent 72 hours on or in the toilet puking and pooping, but I didn't let that stop me from making a shaving video. I'll be the first to admit that it wasn't my finest work. I was really lightheaded and all of the blood vessels in my eyes had burst from near constant dry heaving, but I persevered and made a video of myself shaving my arm, and I uploaded it and it got over 18 views. I'm happy when any of my YouTube videos get views. It's nice to know that people are watching, but it would be really nice if my work got the attention that I know it deserves. Even if you don't like shaving, or the sound of shaving, or the look of me when I shave, at least you can appreciate the dedication I've put into this product. I wish the bigwigs at YouTube would cut me a break and let my channel get popular with fashionistas and muscle boys and video gamers and all the rest. I just want a little recognition. I'm tired of being underrated. I want to be properly rated for once in my life.